first off want to thank all of the subscribers that I have, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are rejoining me, thanks for coming back. I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys for the Simply Gilded Life's a Peach subscription box. So this is the June box. I think it's June. Does it say? Yeah, I think it's June. Which I'm really excited about. I've been using the peach washi that I do have. I think that was round one in a lot of spreads lately. So I'm pretty pumped about this. So this is what the box looks like. It's super cute. I love the pictures. Now, I got mine in a bubble mailer. I'm not sure if everybody gets theirs in a bubble mailer. I know a lot of people were getting damaged boxes. And like when I say damaged, I mean like the whole thing was like squished. So if that's the case, and she's going to mail them out in bubble mailers, I'm pretty stoked about that, because you could actually like cut this out, because that's really pretty because it's foiled and my box is perfect. So that's what the back looks like, and then it just has juniper on there. And then, so let's go ahead and open this up. To start with, here is the journaling card, and these are included, and I want to say these are thicker. Like, that's a thick card. Let's see. Oh, it's maybe just a tiny bit thicker. This is one of her other cards that I have. Really cute. I love the rounded corners. That's a nice touch, because these are all straight cornered. And it just says, just peachy. That's really cute, actually. And I love the floral with the peaches. I love that it's not like super peach themed, but I love that she incorporated the floral with that. I think that looks really nice. Okay, so I did see some of the sneak peeks that Irene had showed, and Irene is the owner of Simply Gilded, which I'm sure a lot of you already know, but this is the little card that it comes with. Oh, it's the May box. Just jokes. May. And I'm just going to put it over to the side so I can reference it. So, the plaid bow ribbon charm. And it just has the lobster claw, so it does not have a, what are those? An extender. If you had a ring bound. So, really cute. All right, next we have the foiled pocket TN insert. I know that Irene was talking about adding more sizes, because not everybody plans in a pocket, which is true, because I plan in a B6. So if she offered a B6, I'd be happy to take it. However, I kind of wish that she would include something else besides the insert, unless the insert was functional. Like, most of the time, it's either plain or dot grid. And I do use those. However, I normally just brain dump in those. And I don't like to waste like pretty inserts like this. I'm weird. I hoard everything. And so I normally just like to print off like collab inserts from Annie Plans Printables. That way I always have it and I can always print off more. Where it's like these, it's like, oh, if I mess up or if I don't need that, then I just ruin like this really pretty book. I don't know. Thumbs up if you're the same way, but I hoard a lot of my supplies. That's why you never really see them in my TN, because I just have them in a drawer looking nice in my office. So this is the journaling, or I'm sorry, this is the pocket TN insert. It's got the floral again. I love that she did that. It's got the gold foil down here with her like signature bow. And then this is the back, and it just says Life's a Peach, and that is also in gold foil, and then a line down here with the Simply Gilded. And again, it's just plain inside, nothing to it. And I do like that she stitches hers. Not all companies do that, so I think that's a nice touch, because anytime I receive one with staples, I either take the staples out or I put washi tape on them so it doesn't ruin my elastics. All right, let's do the sticker sheet next, because the other, I'm gonna leave the washi for last, and then the next item I'm really pumped about. So these are the foiled stickers. And I saw a lot of people doing bullet journaling with them or memory keeping with them. I still haven't decided how I'm going to use these. These are thicker stickers, so they're more like a cardboard feel. However, I think she has gotten them a little bit thinner. So really cute. So you have a today and important. So you've got your headers here. And then you've got some functional page flags, some deco, a lot of deco, and then 3 full boxes. But I really like the colors. I really like the pattern. I'm glad that it wasn't overly peachy. When she snuck the theme, I was like, oh my. That could either go really wrong or really great. And I actually love it. So A+ to you, Irene. So the next item is something that Irene did sneak on her Instagram, and I was super excited. Yeah, there are no words. Can we take a moment, please? I am so in love with these clips. I think they are so cute. I'm not gonna lie. This little bow clip is everything. So these are very similar to Willow Fields or Green and Lime. If I can get them out. I picked like the hardest one. #struggles. Okay. Really cute. I love the peach. I think that's adorable. Oh my gosh. This one reminded me very much of Willow Fields. They have a lot that are like this. And it just says relax. But this bow, oh my god. Oh my gosh, you guys, this bow is life. That's supposed to be up there, I think. It's so cute. It's super, super cute. I love that. So those are the clips, and I believe that's a new item this time around. I don't think she's ever offered these kind of clips before. All right. Now what everybody has been waiting for. We got 5 washies. I feel like that's a lot. So that's exciting. That is really, really exciting. I actually do not take out the washi from the plastic until I'm ready to use it. So this one is a blue washi. It's got gold foil, and then it looks like it's just got peaches and floral. So very similar to the journaling card and kind of the overall theme. Next is going to be the pink plaid with the gold foil. And then this one says keep on, keepin', Peachy King. Yeah. And then here's the bow washi that you get. So this is the peachy color. Maybe that's like better lighting. Gold foil. You do get the 10 and the 15 and the 10. So this is the round 1 washi, the peachy one I have from her first release. So the actual color variation is slightly different. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the new one is actually a shade darker. So I'm happy about that. I'm not gonna lie, this one maybe has more of like a orange sherbet look, where this one definitely has pink undertones in it. I've been using this one like crazy, the one that I have had in the past. Okay, so that was everything from the May Simply Gilded subscription box. If you guys are interested, you have to get on the mailing list, so you need to go to simplygilded.com. Irene will send out an email when slots are open, and usually it's the month prior. So that way you're already on the list. So then you'll get a separate email saying when slots are open, and then you have to go back onto the website and add it to your cart. So it's quite the process, but in my opinion, it's totally worth it. I mean, not even for like any of these items, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm really digging all of these items. Quite frankly, just even for the washi. I mean, all the washi in the subscription box is exclusive to the subscription box. You're not going to see it in her shop, which I find amazing, because if you guys have ever tried to get onto her new releases and order new releases, it's insane. It's legit insane, and your ninja fingers definitely have to be ready. But I actually am really loving the sub box so far. This is only my 3rd month. Is it my 3rd month? April, May? No, I believe this is only my 2nd month. So I got on with Crane, Paper and Crane, and then this is my 2nd one, yeah. So I actually am loving everything that I'm receiving so far, especially like these little extras. I love that she opted for gel because I'm a gel person. Not that she was specifically doing it for me, but I know a lot of people in the planner community are gel people. So I love that she kind of thought about that and included something different, because most people just get a ballpoint pen. Not that that matters anyway, because I believe you can switch these out, the ink. But I also love the exclusive journaling cards. I am a collector of them. I do use them from time to time in my setups. However, I simply just like taking them out and like looking at them, because I'm a creeper like that. But anyways, I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. If you are not subscribed and would like to subscribe, I would love to have you. And if you want to be notified, I guess you press the little bell button and it lets you know anytime I upload a new video. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, bye guys.